Welcome back. We have more 50th anniversary mystery pins. We got 2 boxes, just like last time. Let's see if we do any better this time than we did last time.
Man, we better.
Man, I hope so. Pin number 1. Something different, please.
I quit.
What is it?
I quit.
What is it? Is it the robot again? Are you freaking kidding me?
I quit. I give up on this game. I don't like this Disney game anymore.
Cheese and crackers.
I don't like this Disney game anymore.
Oh my God. If this one's a Figment, I'm gonna cry foul. Pin number 2. These are out of the boxes, so we don't know which boxes they came in. Something different, come on.
Something different.
It's Alice in Wonderland.
Did we have that? Oh.
That's like the very first one we got, ever. See that video here. Cheese and crackers. That's the frustrating part about this game, is that there's gonna be a lot of duplicates. Next.
Oh!
Oh, thank God we got a new one. Madame Leota. All right.
We're one pin closer. We've only got one more pin to open.
Yeah. Final pin for these 2 boxes that we had. Is it that robot again?
Dang Figment.
I bet that the robot and the Figment
We're
came
in
from
the
the
same
same
box.
box.
Had to have been.
Because, I mean, I didn't get them all 4 from the same place. I got 2 from World of Disney and I got 2 from this pin store right here. So they didn't come from the same place, but we got 3 boxes in the past opening of this that had the exact same thing. We're gonna assume that they were in the same box together, the robot and Figment. That is crazy. On the brighter side, I have 3 Figments now. You can never have too many Figments.
Can't you?
However, we also got 4 of those robots now. I did trade one of them away, so we still have 3 of them again.
Merp.
Okay. I love opening these mystery boxes, and I really want to collect all of these, but dang, it is so frustrating. But we did get a new one. Do you like doing the mystery pins, especially the 50th anniversaries? What are your favorite pins in this set? Put it in the comments below. But until next time, remember,
No capes.